Just gonna be honest. And uploaded my first video today. And I know I said several times that I knew that literally no one cared, that nobody was probably gonna watch it, isn't it? But it is making me feel very self-conscious about moving forward. Tonight is hair washing night. I wash my hair about every 3 to 4 days, and that's because of this stuff that I got on Amazon. Mielle? I don't know how to say it, so it's got rosemary mint and something else. Rosemary mint? Yeah, it's all about the rosemary though. Huge deal. I learned about this on TikTok, started using it in my hair. I'm a believer. Let's get into it. So it's at the end of a day, and if you think my cheeks are red, they are. That's just my face. I'm fine. I have rosacea. My cheeks just light on fire. Okay, so what I like to do is take my hair to one side, and I probably use too much oil. I don't know. This is just where we are in life. I try to use as much as possible because I have very thin, fair, curly hair. So yeah, I just kind of try to fill up the dropper as much as possible and then just start skating and squirting it through my scalp, you know, and get as much as possible into like one half, kind of taking it towards the back. I'm super generous with it, gotta be honest. And then I just gently rub it in. Am I doing it correctly? Probably not, but this is the only way that it's going to happen for me, okay? As an ADHD person, the fact that I do this every hair washing night is a huge commitment because it means it has to sit in my hair for a little bit. I would be the kind of person to leave it in all day, but I don't want to feel judged for having greasy hair because like I said, my hair is very thin, so you would be able to tell. And I have to say that the rosemary it's a fairly strong scent, so it would overpower pretty much everything else in the world, it seems. Okay, so rub all that in. And I have to say, because my hair is so thin, it's fairly greasy. Within a day or two, people are like, you can train your hair. I'm like, that's such a cute story. No. But then I started using this hair oil, and now I can go to about 3 to 4 days. I can usually get to a 4th day if I haven't been too sweaty, but I'm a fairly sweaty individual. So, all right, now it's all in the scalp. It's feeling good, feeling really greasy and slick and smooth. And then I like to just pull it all the way up into a very loose, gentle, curled bun situation. Secure it with a little claw clip. Yes. And then here's the weird part, guys. I'm adding more. Now, part of this reason is because, like I said, my hair is curly, so it tangles like super easy pretty much anytime I touch it. There is no running fingers through my hair, y'all. It's not gonna happen. So I just want a little bit more oil in there, and it really helps the combing process after I've washed my hair and gotten out of the shower. I rub it. Oh my God, are you okay? I'm so sorry. I'm gonna let this sit minimum 10 minutes before I wash it out. I definitely think you could live with it all day long and it would be totally fine. I'm too self-conscious for that. I know you can make your own rosemary stuff, but like, who's doing that? Got this on Amazon. Got the claw clips on Amazon as well. I mean, honestly, it's just nice when I don't have to leave my house. You know? Catch you on the flippity flip.